Who doesn't love a kofta or two? A lovely barbecue treat, traditionally made from beef, lamb, or another meat. However, as we learned last week, no fibre is found in animal products. The problem is though, meaty koftas are very tasty, so why have it any other way? Why change my kofta recipe? Well, if I tell you these koftas, the ones we are making today, will not only become your new favourite barbecue treat, but they are also a healthy choice containing fibre, protein and loads of other nutrients. They are a delicious way to boost your nutritional intake. And once we finish the recipe, we will discuss exactly what that nutritional intake is, and Rysy will also try something new. Are you excited? Are you excited to try something new? Good girl. Okay, so a very easy recipe today and not much chopping today, so happy days. So let's just talk through the bowls. So we have tofu and then soaked red lentils. So the lentils were soaking for at least 6 hours, but you can do it overnight. Then I've got some chives here, but you can use coriander or parsley, it's up to you. Then we have some potatoes. So the potatoes are already cooked. Then slices of onion and ginger, and then onto the herbs and spices, well, mostly spices. So starting at the top, we've got chili flakes, then moving around clockwise, we've got curry powder, turmeric, garam masala, chili powder, and then some curry leaves. So this all goes into the food processor. Blitz it up for a good few minutes. You might need to shuffle it and rustle it until you've got a nice thick paste. Then just using a tablespoon, just dolloping it out onto a piece of baking paper. This is to stop it sticking, so the baking paper is essential. So I got 11, as we can see, onto my baking tray, but the mixture should make 15. I just didn't have quite enough space on my baking tray. So they go into the oven at 200 degrees for 30 minutes. This is what they look like after 20 minutes. So then flip them over and then chuck them in the oven for a final 10 minutes. This is just trying to crisp them up everywhere. Then here they are out the oven and then all done. And then what you can do is, once these are done, now they've got good structural integrity, you can then take them over to the barbecue to finish them off there, or you can fry them in a frying pan if you want. So let's move on to some nutritional information. Lentils are a great ingredient. They can be added to almost anything or used to replace something, as they contain lots of protein and, most importantly, fibre. Yes, this is true, Rysy. The only issue with lentils is that they don't contain all 9 essential amino acids. But what does this mean? Proteins are made up of amino acids. There are 20 in total, but 9 are essential for happy, healthy humans. And probably dogs as well. Yes, good girl. So this means that if we only ate lentils as our only source of protein, we would start to run into some health issues. But this is not a problem, as I don't think we will be trying this. But again, this highlights the need to have lots of different whole foods, as each one gives you something different. Remember to be aiming for at least 30 different whole foods a week. It's going to be tricky for you, Rysy. How many whole foods do you have? Not many. So this is why tofu was added as well. Not only does it add a lovely texture, but it also raises the essential amino acid count to that winning number of 9. So how much protein and fibre are we getting from these koftas? Well, using the ingredients, from the ingredients that we used, full in-around recipe is on jollyspud.com, link in the description. We can make, as you saw, about 15 koftas, and each kofta is about 60 calories and contains 3 grams of protein and 1 gram of fibre. And a serving can be between 3 to 4 to 5, depending on the occasion. So it's not bad all in all, I don't think, getting about 15% of your daily fibre needs from a barbecue treat. So Rysy, what are you doing here? So what do you have to say about lentils? Let's find out. So just like humans, lentils are a great source of fibre for dogs as well. But as with everything, when it comes to giving it to your favourite dog friend, giving them something new, give it to them in small amounts and with no salt or fat. How are you getting on? Good girl. And when they try it, if they like it, it's great to get mixed in with dog food, isn't it? Oh, you almost like it, maybe. All right, so there we go. That's everything from me. Is that everything from you, Rysy? Should we try these one more time? As always, thank you for watching. I hope you try this one. It is a real winner. And I will catch you later. Good girl. Oh, good dog. go. Oh, you like the lentils.